Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've posted a frame repair video for my 89 Dodge Cummins. It's been either cold or rainy, or I haven't had the time. Managed to do some stuff on the engine, but nothing for the frame, so I'm finishing it up. I'm not letting this rain today rain me out. I got halfway done, so I just set up this tarp here, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Alright, here's the last two patches right over the axle, or I assume where the bump stop was. It caught some water between the bump stop and the frame rail and rotted it right out. There's big holes there, so same deal. I just cut out the bad spot, used it as a pattern, welded in a new piece, and once again I used backing plates. So I didn't have to worry about, burning through or anything. I just burned it right into that backing plate. And then I came from the underside and then welded there and there. So there's 1, 2, 3 welds holding this together. And then for this is just a single bead. Although I did weld the inside and the outside. I did bevel it, but I didn't have my heat set too high because I didn't want to burn through and make a hole, so I welded one side and I welded the underside, and the welds met, and I think it made a pretty nice joint. I used 6011 and topped it off with some 7018, and you'll see that I welded, or rather I ground the bead flat here and cleaned this up a little bit, just like on the other side. And I have this bar. It's 1.5 inches by 1/4, I think, from here across the arch that goes over the axle, and then it will travel all the way over to here. And if you guys don't remember all this, you can see there's more patches. There's the patch where the spring hanger is, and there's a bunch of patches along the bottom of the C-channel. And I read that the top and bottom web of the C-channel are the parts that hold the most stress when the frame is loaded. So I wanted to make sure that this was structurally sound. So I'm going to bend this strap. I'm going to do it incrementally. I'm not going to heat it up in the forge and bend it and match it up. I'm just clamp it at one end, tack weld it, move the clamp along, like say right about here, clamp it down to the frame, tack weld it again, and work my way along until I get to the end over here. And that end is going to end up right about there. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, except that piece will be much shorter, just be from here to here, because the frame is fine over there. Alright, so I got it tack welded in. Give you an idea what it looks like. So I just clamped it progressively and welded it in. And here's the other one. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna finish weld it in, and that should be it. And I think that should be it. I really think the frame will be plenty strong. And the next step is going to be to add a gooseneck hitch and a bumper hitch and brake hoses and shocks and a bunch of other stuff. But anyway, that's the last of the frame repair. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, come back for more. And also, one last side note, I'm no expert, so this isn't the correct way to repair a frame or the incorrect way. This is just the way that I choose to do it. So don't quote me on anything. But thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up or the subscribe button, and come back for more.